welcome to my channel. We are somewhere near Erith and I'm going to check out Crayford marshes today. So basically behind these gates London pretty much ends. So now we are outside of London already, technically. And there's the River Thames and Erith Yacht Club. Here's a huge industrial area. Damn, I wish I could have bike too. Walking takes too long. And that is Queen Elizabeth Bridge. One of the worst places for traffic jams. And this is the Dartford Creek barrier. Let's see how it looks like from above. And this is where someone's old dream cars are being destroyed. It's not that there's only industrial area in here. There are also animals and birds and nature. Horses, a lot of birds, and more horses. Oh, I spotted a very rare animal in its natural habitat. A wild, rare chair.